When Arav stood at the bus stop that morning, the city moved around him like it always did, fast, loud, and careless. People rushed past with phones in their hands and dreams in their eyes. Some looked confident. Some looked lost. Arav looked invisible. He was 26 years old and carried more doubts than money in his wallet. Every morning felt the same. Wake up early, travel long hours, work hard, return tired, sleep with unanswered questions. His job paid just enough to survive, never enough to dream. Yet, somewhere deep inside him, a quiet voice refused to die. It whispered, "You are meant for more." But life had a way of silencing that voice. Growing up, Arav was not the brightest student. Teachers never picked him as an example. Relatives never introduced him with pride. At family gatherings, questions always followed him like shadows. What are you doing now? How much do you earn? When will you settle? Each question felt like a reminder that he was running behind in a race he never understood. Still, every night after work, when the world slowed down, Arav opened his old laptop. It was scratched, slow, and unreliable, much like how he felt about himself. But it worked. And that was enough. He was learning a new skill online. No certificate. No guarantee. Just hope. Some nights, exhaustion won. He fell asleep on the keyboard. Some nights, self-doubt screamed louder than motivation. But every single night, he showed up. Quietly. No one clapped. No one noticed. No one believed. Months passed. Friends moved on, better jobs, better lives, better stories to tell. Arav stayed where he was, improving inch by inch, mistake by mistake. Sometimes he wondered if he was wasting time. Sometimes he wondered if success was only for the lucky. One evening, after a particularly long day, Arav stared at the city lights from his window. They looked close yet unreachable. For the first time, quitting felt tempting, not dramatic quitting, but silent giving up. He closed his laptop and sat there. That was the moment he remembered his father. His father was a quiet man. Not successful by society's standards, but strong in ways Arav understood only later. He worked for years without complaints, never expecting applause, never waiting for recognition. Once, as a child, Arav had asked him, "Why do you work so hard when no one notices?" His father smiled and said, "Because effort is never wasted. It just waits." That memory reopened something inside Arav. He opened the laptop again. Days turned into discipline. Discipline turned into habit. Habit turned into confidence. Slowly, Arav stopped looking for motivation. He relied on routine. Failures still came. Projects were rejected. Applications went unanswered. Silence followed effort like an echo. But Arav had learned something important. Progress doesn't announce itself. One night, a small email arrived. It was not exciting. It was not life-changing. It simply said, "We would like to work with you." That night, Arav didn't celebrate. He just smiled. That one opportunity led to another. Not immediately. Not magically. But gradually. His skills sharpened. His confidence grew quieter but stronger. He no longer needed validation. He needed consistency. People around him started noticing small changes. He spoke less but listened more. He walked with purpose, not pressure. His eyes carried calm, not confusion. Months later, another message arrived. This one paid better. Then another. then another. Suddenly, the same relatives who once questioned him now praised his patience. The same friends who doubted his path now asked for advice. Arav never explained much. He had learned that success doesn't come with noise. It comes with peace. One evening, standing at the same bus stop, Arav realized something beautiful: the city hadn't changed. He had. He was no longer chasing success desperately. He was walking with it calmly. The road he chose had no applause at the beginning, no encouragement, no shortcuts. But it gave him something rare: self-respect. And as he walked forward, Arav understood the truth most people learn too late. The hardest roads often lead to the most meaningful destinations. And the journey no one applauds is often the one worth taking.